We are in Target right now looking for fidgets and mini brands. Hopefully we can find something.
Mommy, it's gone. Right? That's gone.
Looks like there's no fidgets here. No puppets.
No.
It looks like we had found some puppets. But they're not in the $3 section. They are $7.99. Let's see if we can find any more. Okay, so it looks like my Target does not have the mini brands. All I have is this toy mini brands here. But we did get in luck to find the puppets. So I'm getting 2 of these, and then I'm gonna get 3 toy mini brands.